Donald Trump's former lawyer, Michael Cohen, is testifying for a second day in the criminal hush money trial in New York. Cohen told the jury that Trump directed him to make that hush money payment to Stormy Daniels. This is at the center of the case. ABC's Rena Roy is at the courthouse with the latest.
Donald Trump's former attorney, Michael Cohen, back on the witness stand for a second day in Manhattan criminal court. So far, the most incriminating testimony against the former president. Cohen laying out their alleged scheme to cover up a payment to adult film actress Stormy Daniels. Prosecutors saying Trump ordered Cohen to pay Daniels $130,000 just days before the 2016 election in exchange for her silence about their alleged sexual encounter. Michael Cohen saying both he and Trump knew Daniels' story would be catastrophic for the 2016 campaign. When it became evident Daniels was prepared to go public, Cohen telling the jury that Trump instructed him to pay her off. Just do it, Cohen recalled Trump telling him. Don't worry about it. You will get the money back. Today, Cohen telling jurors he privately met with Trump on February 8, 2017, when Trump told him to expect a check in the coming days. This photo shared in court, which Cohen says was taken after that meeting. Cohen telling jurors the invoices he prepared for the Trump organization were false records and not for services pursuant to a retainer agreement. Trump has pleaded not guilty to falsifying business records and has denied that sexual encounter with Daniels.
I took a legal expense and they called it, I didn't do it, a bookkeeper did it. She did it exactly right. Took a legal expense and called it a legal expense. This is their whole case.
A number of Trump supporters joining him in court today, including former GOP presidential candidates Vivek Ramaswamy and Doug Burgum, as well as his daughter-in-law and RNC co-chair Laura Trump. House Speaker Mike Johnson also coming up from Washington today, commenting on the merits of the case as well as Cohen's testimony.
This is a man who is clearly on a mission for personal revenge and who is widely known as a witness who has trouble with the truth.
It's likely prosecutors have only one more witness to call, so they could rest their case as early as this week before the defense gets their turn. In New York, Rena Roy for Channel 6 Action News.
The Biden administration announced